In this video, Claire Cutchall will be cutting the pavilion of our aquamarine that's now docked and ready to go. Here at Hun Country Jewelers, we use index equipment for cutting gemstones, specifically a facetron machine. Gemstone cutting is a misnomer. It's actually a grinding process using circular laps that have different grits. Coarser laps are used for removing material quickly and typically laying in the initial facets. Finer grit laps are used for smaller facets, pre-polish, and polishing. The range of grit spans from a 100 grit coarse lap to a 50,000 grit diamond polish. In general, Claire can raise and lower the stone, which is needed when you change the facet angle. She can change the angle of contact between the gemstone and the lap, which is important to create the different rows of facets. Finally, she can rotate the aqua 360 degrees on the dop, which is displayed on a 96-point indexed wheel. With these functions in mind and a pattern to follow, Claire is going to start the cutting process by laying in the girdle. The girdle is where the top of the stone meets the bottom and defines the outside shape of your stone. The aqua here is being cut into an emerald cut shape, meeting a rectangle with bevel corners. A facet is ground to a specific point. Once Claire is satisfied with the position, she'll then rotate the stone to a different specified number on the index wheel and begin grinding again, keeping the facet angle constant. Once all of the facets at that angle are finished, she's going to change the angle, raise or lower the dop as necessary, rotate the index wheel to the new correct position, and then begin cutting a new row of facets. The pattern often includes several rows of facets, and you can see how Claire is developing the pattern one row after another. With the complete pattern laid in on the grinding laps, Claire now revisits each facet using the polishing lap. The goal is for every facet to be polished evenly across its entire plane while not over-polishing into adjacent facets. Once the pavilion is finished, the aqua gets shifted onto a second dop in order to expose the top half of the stone for cutting. This process is called a transfer and will be shown in the next video.